Hello guys, throughout this video tutorial we're going to learn how to design a glassy blurry effect. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into our incredible tutorial. So first let's duplicate our background layer. You can drag your layer in the plus button or press Ctrl J to do that. After that, click on the filter menu, blur and then Gaussian blur, then we're going to type our desired number. Again, click on the filter menu, click on the filter gallery and select glass effect. Then we're going to type our desired numbers in the settings. Now let's add some noise to make it more realistic. For that, click on the filter menu, noise, add noise. For our current project 1.8 is fine. Okay, now let's add our shape. For this I'm going to use ellipse. Drag and place it on your canvas. Place the shape layer below the blurred background. Then press Alt and click on the middle of the shape layer and blurred background. Now you can see the blurred background is only visible where the shape is. Okay, now click on the shape layer and go to the blending option. First, let's add bevel and emboss and follow the settings. Then add a stroke to our shape and follow the settings. Click on OK and now our design is ready. Just if you want to move it away, click on the shape layer and move it anywhere you like. This is the final result. Don't forget to like and share if you liked this video.